Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So you have seen in the thumbnail that I have chopped my hair. Yes, I did it. If you follow me on my Instagram, you already know. अगर आप मुझे मेरे personal account में follow करते हैं, I've done it this short front. So it's looking very short. From the behind, trust me, it's not that short. It's still on the mid range. मैं बहुत time से plan कर रही थी, so I just did it. But before we talk आगे about my hair, why I did it and how what I'm looking forward to, I think you should go back to my vlog because I did vlog that day when I chopped off my hair. So please go quickly watch that and let's talk more about it. If you don't know, this is what my hair looks like. I think this vlog is so random, but anyways, who cares? I'm going for a haircut. This is what my hair looks like at the moment, and I'm gonna chop it off. I think my hair has had all its season. Like I almost have haircut every year. Last year I had bangs. I don't know I vlogged it or not, but anyhow, आज जो मैं करने वाली हूँ, I'm gonna pop a picture and I'm gonna cut it that way. And now I'm gonna go get ready. Get ready क्या सिर्फ lipstick लगाना है मुझे. I'm gonna be all ready. I'm gonna chop it off and hopefully it's gonna turn good. Having high hopes. Let's go quickly. Guys, it is raining, but I have to go, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, so as you have seen, I did it. I did shown him a reference picture of how I wanted my hair to be. It was basically samne se face framing, fringes with behind it was like I think a layer cut. मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रही थी एंड यू नो बेटर लेट देन नेवर. आई सेड अभी नहीं करूँगी तो कब, एंड आई जस्ट डिड इट एंड आई गॉट अ लॉट ऑफ DM फ्रॉम माई फ्रेंड्स सेइंग दैट व्हाई आई डिड इट बिकॉज आई हैव ऑलवेज हैड द बेस्ट हेयर. टच वुड, इवन नाउ क्वालिटी वाइज आई थिंक इट्स द बेस्ट. टच वुड अगेन, बट या इट्स हेयर, इट्स गोना ग्रो बैक. ऑनेस्टली अगर आप मुझसे पर्सनली पूछो, आई डू फील बैड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स व्हेन आई गेट अप बिकॉज आई हैव द हैबिट ऑफ हैविंग द लॉन्ग हेयर. स्टाइलिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ hair to styling this hair, it gets difficult. I do not know what to style exactly now. I'm kind of figuring out, but yeah, I'm just finding my way through it. And now since I've chopped it off, I think it's good to see the good things than to just sit and think ki kyun kaata. I wanted it, that's why I did it. So that's the only reason I'm gonna give it out there. But anyways, so I think when I had hair length around this बहुत पहले. I think it was like 4-5 years back last I had this short hair. So I think that time I used to do a lot of hair care, and that resulted in the long healthy hair that I have had for the last years. But I think after a time मैंने I एकदम से stop doing any care of hair care, and that has of course made me feel very bad, because I was someone who is always into hair care. If you have been following me for a while, since YouTube started my journey, you have seen that I've done so much for my hair. And I think इतने छोटे होने के बाद it's just giving me the realization and the need to do more, indulge basically myself into more hair care and get back to the routine that I used to do. And I'm super excited and I'm loving it, because जब से I've chopped my hair, I'm getting back to doing my hair care to get back the length that I desire. Because honestly, one thing I can surely say is I am a long hair girl. I cannot style and I do not want short hair ever. Having said that, it's of course your personal choice. If you like short hair, mid hair, long hair, whatever, you can keep it. But मुझे personally long hair पसंद है. And I am gonna do my hair care like I used to do many years back, and get back the length that I want. And I have decided ki how I'm gonna do it. It's basically oiling and hair masking, that's it. And yeah, I'm super excited. जो भी मैं करूँगी, जब भी every week I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try to film it, vlog it, and share it with you guys, because if any of you who want to increase their hair length, we can get together in this journey and motivate each other and just keep doing. If there's some tricks you want to give it to me, then please write it in the comment section. And yeah, that's it. I really wanted to come up here on YouTube and update this little thing. And apart from that, hopefully I'll be uploading more YouTube videos. Stay tuned. Till then, take care. Love you guys. Also, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. I'll soon be back with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.